Hello everyone, I am Amor Abdelael. This is SafeFi, a Wi-Fi protection web application made using Flask and Selenium in Python. It basically protects your Wi-Fi from any intruders that may try to access it without your permission. So let's start. First, we open the X code, and in app.py, we run the file but without selecting any text because this causes some issues for some reason. Run the app and open the application, and we set a password. We have to fill in both entries. They must be equal or equivalent. So let's enter a password for the application. Yes. Now we shall enter the name and password for the router. And in a moment, I can let this open in the background as normal, but I'll let it appear so that we can see what's happening exactly, if you like. And the devices appear. These are all the devices that have ever been connected to your Wi-Fi. Let's say, for example, I want to disconnect this device and maybe this. And in a moment, they shall appear in the intruders section. And now they don't have access to Wi-Fi. If you go here very quickly and try to access the router, they shall be here. They can't access Wi-Fi. Great. Now, let's for example say I want to remove this device and add another device. I can do this as well. Wait for a second, and in a moment, this shall cure as wanted. Here, I check. Indeed, the new device names are here. Now, when I click commit, now these devices are stored in the database successfully. Now, if any new intruder tries to access the Wi-Fi, I shall be notified. Any new device other than these devices. So, for example, let's imagine I'm just roaming on the internet peacefully and researching some very important topics. Now I try to access it using my mobile phone, and I just refresh it such that it scans right away. And now, example, I am just surfing the web and looking for some topics, and suddenly feel something is clicking, something is refreshing. The icon is changing. This means a new intruder has tried to access your Wi-Fi network. And indeed, here it is. That's my phone. Now, if I click it, it shall go with the intruders. I click commit, it shall go in here in a moment. Shall be there. Indeed, it's with them, and if we check here, in printer control, it has been added to them. Can access Wi-Fi for only 1 minute, which practically means it can't access it. So once I connect to database, these are now stored in the database, and the application has identified all of these devices. Again, if any new device tries to access the Wi-Fi in the future, it won't be able to unless you let it through the application. And there are some additional properties, like you can change the app password, you can change the router credentials, you can, if you want, clear all the devices and start this over again, and you can log in again and start where you left off, just like this. And so this has been the application, and I hope you liked it. And it took a lot of work, took some code, and this is only app.py, but I hope and I think it was worth it. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Oh, and I almost forgot the project references. These sources helped me immensely in writing the code.